Welcome back to Blazing Sky, y'all. Johnny here, taking the bike to work today. The Talaria Triple X. Yeah. The van broke down on me while I was driving. Like, cruising at 45, and the RPMs dropped, and there was still power. Like, lights were still on and everything. I didn't get any warning lights before the van actually shut off on me. So, like, what the hell? So I'm riding to work, and I don't know, we have had nothing but bad luck with vehicles since we moved to Oklahoma. We moved up here with a Toyota Tundra. That was prior to COVID. Like, right when we moved up here, a week later the country shut down, and we had a barbecue food business then. We had a trailer that we were pulling with the Tundra, and it got repoed shortly after COVID had hit. We weren't able to go out and make money anymore. After that, shortly after, we did buy another car. It was a BMW X5, and when we got it, the AC didn't work, so I ended up fixing that. And then it started leaking oil, and then kind of fixed that, I thought. Replaced the gaskets and stuff like that, but it didn't help, I guess. We ended up trading the BMW X5 about a year later. After dealing with it for so long, we ended up getting a Subaru Forester. When we got the Forester, it needed a clutch replacement. We put it in the shop. The shop here in Lawton held it hostage for 4 months until they actually took it apart and trying to figure out what was wrong with it. Like, what the hell? And then when we got it back from them, it started having other issues. And then we weren't able to get second gear, fourth gear. And one time the clutch pedal just dropped to the floor, like it just wasn't there. So, 7 months after we got that car, we ended up giving it back. We gave it back to the dealership that we got it from. Then we ended up getting our old lawn service truck back, which we used to haul trailers around full of lawn equipment and everything like that. It was a Dodge Ram. It was already a cylinder misfire, like a cylinder 5 misfire, and sometimes it wouldn't start. Like, it randomly wouldn't allow them to start the car. So I was like, okay, I'll take it, see what's wrong. Had it sent into the dealership here in Lawton, and they said they fixed a bunch of recalls, replaced a bunch of relays and stuff like that. And I thought that issue was fixed, the start-stop. Sometimes, we were having problems getting it to start too, but and it overheated on us. So that truck ended up not getting fixed at all. Ended up paying it off and selling it, and we ended up getting the van. And we got the van from OKC. We've had that for a little over a year now, and now it's crapping out on us. So all our cars seem to be crapping out on us when it gets cold, when it's nearing winter or winter time. So that's when they show their true colors, and we're like, what the hell? Our luck, huh? We've had 4 cars in 4 years here. Come on, guys. So we don't know what to do. The van was kind of like our work vehicle / family vehicle, you know what I'm saying? We were using it to haul our products around to the farmer's market, to set up and stuff like that, and family vehicle to take vacation and everything in. So we only had 1 car, guys. Now I'm having to trek back and forth to work on the bike. I mean, I don't mind. The other day I rode to work and it was 38 degrees, guys. Am I speeding or something? Or is everybody just going slow? Like, what is that? You know, they're in their car, they're jamming, they expect to hear a motorcycle sound, but nothing. They hear nothing, nada. It is the day before Thanksgiving, y'all. And here we are. So I gotta go to work. I get off 2 hours earlier today, though, so I had to smoke a turkey, y'all. Did that overnight. So I got off work at 8 last night and went home and got the turkey ready, threw it in the smoker at about 10 o'clock. Didn't turn the heat off until about 6 o'clock. That's what I do. Now I'm back up, getting ready to go to work.